Hey, happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from Highlevel. So this is kind of a cool announcement. So if you didn't know this, we have these awesome things called playbooks that are put together by our team. And basically the playbook, the whole idea of it is to try to help guide you through both a feature and a sales process at the same time. And if you go to university.gohighlevel.com, you can see all of the ones that we've created so far. And today we have added a brand new one. So if I scroll all the way to the bottom here, see where it says the Paid Ads Playbook. If you click on this, this is literally a playbook that's designed to walk you all the way through how to use paid ads and also how to use them as a sales tool. So if we jump into Slack here, you can see here's the release note on it right here on the right hand side. Ads Playbook, it's a 47 module course walking new high levelers and existing ones through a step-by-step guide on how to succeed with paid ads. Obviously, here are the key intros here in terms of nurturing, lead sources, conversions, all of that stuff. And obviously, you can just, we host all of our own courses on our own course builder. So there's Haplin doing his thing. So jump in here when you get a chance. It's very, very cool. Again, university.gohighlevel.com. And everyone should have access to this. And if not, reach out to support. We'll get you access. And then it'll just go ahead and pop right in for you. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.